Good morning, guys. So here we are in my bedroom. I'm having my morning tea. So yeah, again, we're still on quarantine. Which day is it? I think it's about a bit more than a month. So yeah, it's been more than 30 days already. Maybe, I don't know, a month and a half. So anyway, today me and Penelope were going to make something very delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it. You'll see what it is later. Right, Mama did many little braids for Penelope. Yeah. What do you think, Bee? That's the first time we tried something like that.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I like Merida.
You like Merida? That's true. Go there, and the result. Turn around, Viva. Turn around. Yeah, the other way. Let me look at you. Yes. You do look like Merida, don't you? Where did you get this hat? I think that's from Jessie in Toy Story.
That's a giraffe.
Okay.
And that's me at the York.
That's a hedgehog. Yeah.
At the York.
And that's you. Okay.
That's me.
Yeah, pretty dress. No, I meant, yes, that's you. That's what I said. Turn around. I want to see your hair. That's so pretty. You like it? Yeah? Okay.
Look, there's packages.
What do you think is that?
I have a lot of ponies and one big pony.
Yeah, okay. Let's see.
Then let's go get it.
You want to go get it?
Yeah.
Let's go get it. Go.
By myself?
Just forgot something else. Okay. Take you to the room.
I like
So, Mama thought that she ordered Penelope's big ponies, like toys.
But where's my other big pony?
But actually,
Like this
appeared to
pinky
be a cake toppers.
pony. Yeah. They're not very toys. Well, that's for
Well, you
cake.
still play with them, right?
Yeah. I like them still though. Hey, I have this big one.
You do?
Yeah, let me show you. They're all her babies, and this is the mom.
That's gonna be the mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I thought they were going to be like this size, but they appear to be much smaller. She likes him.
Standing up. There, go. Gotta get me in here.
Hello everyone. So
Hello.
today, Penelope and I, what are we making, people?
Apple pie.
Little apple pies.
Yes.
So we need to cut these apples in the little chunks, yeah? So let's do that. I'm gonna do this.
But I want to do that.
That's kind of hard to do. Let me spread it like this in little pieces, and then you can chop each apple into pieces, okay? So we don't need to peel apples, we just need to cut in little pieces. And it's better to choose sweet apples for this recipe. Okay, so we have a pan here. Put our apples there.
By myself.
Yeah, we need, I think, 2 apples. apple while cooking. That's nice. I think all chefs do that. Wow. By the way, I love this thing. It really helps to cut the apple very fast. Just need, sometimes it's just kind of difficult to get it out of there.
Do you like a chef, Mama?
What did you say?
Do we look like a chef?
Yes, we do like chefs. We are chefs. So, we have our apples. Now we need to add there some blueberries. So I'm gonna wash them. Let's see how they. So the blueberries, they sweet and sour. They would be perfect balance
Mama,
to our sweet apples.
apples are red. So what? We need red apples. No spices. I'm not going to let you to have spices.
It's a different spices we have.
No.
Okay, let's put some sugar into our pan.
Okay.
We need, let's see, we need 4 tablespoons. Yeah.
Could I try a little
Yeah.
bit?
Right there.
Could I try a little bit, Mama?
Yeah. Put it all over. Spread it. Actually, let's do 3. I think 4 would be too much because our apples are sweet. So go like this. Another one. Easy, easy. And one more. So now we're going to cook this over low heat for 12 minutes. And while it's gonna be cooking, we're gonna defrost our puff pastry. We have 2 sheets of puff pastry over here.
I'm going to do it.
Yes, we're gonna do
Is
it
it
together.
frozen?
It's frozen. We need to sit for 30 minutes. So we need to cook this over the medium heat for about 12 minutes. Yeah, Pipa? This already smells amazing. We're going to add a little bit of a splash, just a splash of water. Let's do that to help apples to soften. So guys, as you see, they start bubbling away, but it's not ready yet. So we're waiting. And while we're waiting, we're going to beat an egg.
By myself.
Yes, of course.
Where's the bowl?
We need to beat an egg because we're going to use it to brush our pastry. Okay.
Here.
While the Penelope is whisking our egg, I'm gonna pop the lid on the pan. We still have 4 minutes until this is going to be ready, but it smells amazing.
Could I eat the apple?
All right, let's see. So we're gonna just put this over here because it needs to cool off. We still have 20 minutes until our pastry will thaw and be ready. Pipa said that she wants to try this yummy thing which we made. Here. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy? Yeah.
Me do it too.
Okay. And you do it. Then we take 1 sheet of pastry. You can buy this puff pastry at any store, really, in the frozen section. It's getting softer. We can brush off some extra flour, which we don't need. Over there, to the side. Okay, because we don't want too much flour. Hold it. Okay. Kind of even rectangles.
Where's that piece gonna be? Or
We can cut the uneven edges. We don't need that. Now, who is little chef over here?
me.
Last part before the oven, we're brushing our little pies all over over here too.
Okay.
So we have some brown sugar over here. Now we're going to sprinkle all over our little pies, so they would be even tastier. Yeah?
Yep. Ready?
I don't know. Let's check. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go check.
It is ready.
Wow. What do you think, Peep? Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, guys. This is amazing. So good. So good.
Yeah.
This is amazing. Honestly, look at it. Look at that color.
It's so purple. You can't.
So good.
So purple.
We had a long day today. Did we? Yeah. What did we do, Pip?
We did
What did we do with you?
little apple pies.
Yes. Was it nice?
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
I don't know why. I kind of feel exhausted, to be honest. Seems like we had a long day. We didn't really do much except that we just baked. And Mama made the salad. We played some games. And now we read a book.
Yeah.
Penelope's encyclopedia for kids. Where is it? And here we go.
Here we
It's
go.
a very interesting book, actually.
Yeah.
So we are going to
Read this.
Yeah.
Let me show you everything.
And then we're gonna
Let
have
me
some
show you everything.
smoothie, I guess. Not feeling like anything heavy.
Look.
And then we're just gonna
Look,
go to
guys.
bed. Okay, what is it? Lots of interesting stuff about the animals and birds and different interesting places around the world and scientists and food and weather. Good night, everyone.
Ah!